What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, including French wine pronunciation videos, including famous wine estates and how to pronounce some of the most famous wine estates in France and in the whole world. I do speak Italian and Spanish as well, which explains this, and I am French. So how do we go about pronouncing the name of one of the most famous wine producers in Burgundy, in Gevrey-Chambertin, to be precise, around the village of Gevrey-Chambertin, one estate that produces some of the best and most renowned wines in Burgundy, including the Chambertin Grand Cru vineyard, and they do possess some vineyard in the famous Clos Saint-Jacques, Promier Cru in Gevrey-Chambertin, the illustrious Domaine Armand Rousseau. So how do you go about pronouncing this with a typical French pronunciation? Domaine, you know about domaine, don't you? And then de, and then simply Armand. The D at the end of Armand is definitely silent. You do not pronounce Armand, but just Armand. Armand. You can sort of say Armand. It'd be alright, but if you can, just say Armand. And then Roux. Roux, the letters O and U in French coming down to the sound OO, just like you, Roux, and then double S, E-A-U, E-A-U in French coming down to the sound O, so simply so. Rousseau. If you can pronounce the French R in a typical French fashion, Armand Rousseau. Domaine Armand Rousseau. Domaine Armand Rousseau, but it'd be fine to say Domaine Armand Rousseau. Domaine Armand Rousseau of Gevrey-Chambertin. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.